Thank you very much, Jenny, for coming. I'm very grateful to have you here. It's an honor. When I started looking at your Instagram page and all your work, and I said I have to talk to her right now, so I didn't stop of contacting you. And it's not only my perception. Everybody is so thrilled and so happy with the education that they had yesterday and today. For us, it's very important to give to our clients the best thing, the best products, the best makeup, style, but also, the connection and the feeling at the end of the service. And I think you helped us these 2 days. We want more. We're very, very happy, and thank you very much, because I'm sure this is gonna be the beginning of, a lot of work in reviews and happy clients and a lot of good things, and this is thanks to you. I'm sure that all our stylists and makeup artists are gonna feel more confident. We have had all kind of workshops, beauty salon, and all kind of training. But it's hard to find somebody that makes that connection with the staff. And I think that's something that for the first moment you created with the staff. Yeah. I believe that when you teach, you have to be real and say the truth in all the moments, because it's the only way to learn. And all the reactions of the staff were so positive and receptive. And that's something that you created, and you made this connection with the group. And that's something that is very important. At first, that you take it serious. So you came and you say the rules of the game, and you let them know that you were here to teach and they were coming to learn. So I loved when you told them that you were going to puntualize and tell every detail that you find, because you were going to improve it and let them know how to do it or do it better. I loved when you puntualize all the details about the eyebrows and how to cover all the spots, and every model that you touch and do the makeup, and also them, you could see clearly the difference. And we were like, is that the same person? And I think that's the main point of this, to create a new look and make them feel better, but to know how to do it, because sometimes you know what to do, but you don't know how to do it. And I think that you give it to the point. So I love that. I love when you get involved with them and see the little details of what they were missing, like for example in the hair or the waves, or how to stick the accessories, and all the comments that you told me. And we talked to the girls and the guys, and immediately they came together and say, okay, let's do it. And that positive attitude, it was like something that really thrilled me out. It was, yeah. Thank you very much.